together by Tina Grande. Start first intro. I-tutor ko na rin kayo para start first intro. First chord is C. Move to 7th fret. And yung pointing finger, the first finger, but it also forms the alisin nyo lang sa pointing finger mo sa fret. A minor, F, you can use this F, but it's better to use this F. It forms like a C, but back finger, pababa mo sa third fret, second fret, third string, and then from two fingers, magkasama sa third fret, fifth string and fourth string. G without a string D, third fret, sixth string, and second fret, fifth string. Sixth string and fifth string. That's all chords. First, in the bass. When we say C, the bass, fifth string. Fifth. And only those forms A minor, F, and hindi lang po, yung G po, yung ano niya is 16. Okay? Yan. Tapos, yung black string pattern is bass, second fret, and second string, and fourth string together. Yan po yung black pattern ng bass, and second string, and fourth string together. So, let's start. To sing it for you. Has taken the C minor, sisters in the F9, G. Upon a courtesy, upon it show I could not sleep, and G sang away to keep a heart. A minor, and so like F and G. So hour by hour we watched the sun, we watched the motion, picture G in that sky. You were the cloud A minor, I was the moon F, G. You and the chorus are C, G, F, and C, which is strumming. Pwede siyang i-lacking, but it's better to strum yung chorus. Together, G. Tapos, second verse, C. And then, Zimbada Doom Doom Bridge is also the first. We pulling chorus, continue, mute siya. So same with chords, but your palm, the bass, no sound. You and me, together G, together S, together G. Then, alisin nyo. letters G. That's it. Catch ya. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thank you.